Let's put together our general conference store. First, we're going to print everything on white cardstock or regular paper. You can laminate if you want, and we're going to cut everything out with a paper cutter and a 1-inch circle punch. Now, this is going to be our label for the can. So get an empty can. We use hot glue gun to attach it to the can. And this is going to be one per family. So you just need to make one, and it says, I can listen and learn at general conference. And they are going to also have coupons that are going to go in our general conference store that they can pick as well. So there's time with family, which is a coupons, a date with mom, dad, free ice cream cone, and then there's treats, and I'm going to show you those in a minute, and there's also toys. The coins are color coordinated, so each child will get their set at the beginning of the conference session, and as they do the activity from the speaker bag, they can put a coin in the can. After each session, they get to open the general conference store. And in this treasure box, I put all kinds of fun things. I love these watch poppets and these little, I don't know what those tubes are, but my kids were just talking at the store how they love those. And I thought, oh good, they're in the store. So I just went to Target, the dollar store, and Walmart and got everything for $1 or less, except for the Mickey Mouse hats. Those may be worth, I may just take them out and so that everything's simple, but they're so cute too. They may want to save 2 sessions up to get the hat. So everything in there was $1 except for the hats were just $3. My kids love sunglasses. They've been asking for them and those were $1, so I threw them in there as well. There's paint, there's little Barbie toys, Play-Doh. Just go into the dollar sections of those stores and find what you can that your kids would like to have that you can add into your little store. My son loves to fish at his grandpa's house, so I thought the fishing nets would be fun. And my teens love Takis, so they will definitely do it just for Takis. And then we're going to put the coupons on the top so they can see those. Those are an option for them to pick as well. And then if they listen to all the speakers, they're going to get something out of the store. You can set up the parameters however you want for your family. We hope that this will help you have a great general conference weekend. Go to MTC for Kids Facebook group to download this for free, or visit our Etsy store and you can also purchase it in our shop. Thanks for joining us here at MTC for Kids. We can't wait to hear how General Conference went for you and your family.